Hey YouTube, I'm going to show you how to install this thing today. But first of all, if you need to get a hold of me, if you get stuck, you want to do a live chat, download the PalTap app, P-A-L-T-A-P, and you can get a hold of me. We can talk directly. Hey guys, got this Allen and Roth cordless blackout cellular shade, white here, that I'm going to go ahead and put up. It's a blackout shade. It says it blocks up to 99% of outside light. This one in particular here is 47 inches in actual width and 64 inches long. Don't pay too much attention to the length. You know, they fold up really good, but one of the critical measurements here is just 47 inches. If it's wider, it's not going to work for if your window is, if this is wider than your window, it's not going to work for you. So you want to get one that's exact or just below the size of your window. In this case, mine's just a hair above 47, so this will work. So from here to here, just above 47 inches. It should be a nice snug. I'll go ahead and pull this thing out of the box. Part number for this is 0355986. All right, here's what it comes with. Of course, the shade there, but you've also got 3 mounting brackets. This goes on the bottom. This will help with the up and down, and then of course the mounting screws. Right, as far as tools go, I'm just using a cordless drill, and I'm going to use a Phillips head. The other thing I'm using is a drill bit. It's just slightly under the size of that screw. That way it can still grab the sides of the hole that you drill. Okay, here's the top of the window frame here. There's 2 kinds of mounts you can do. And the one that I'm going to do is going to be the inside mount. Right, you can go like that. Now, if your shade is oversized, let's just say you get an oversized shade that's larger than this. I said it wouldn't work, and that's true. It won't work in going on the inside of your window framing, but you can do an outside mount as well. So you can bring it out over here or over here. Then your next one, of course, will go in the middle, and then your third one will go over this way. For today's purposes, we're going to do an inside mount like that. Okay, one last thing up here. I'm going to recommend that you put these things as close to the windowsill as possible, just because that way it'll reduce the amount of light that can get through. One, middle one, 2, 3. These things will snap in. Now we'll just take this piece and hook it on the bottom. Okay, get this piece on there. You just hook it from the back first, and then just snap it into the front. You can do it with one hand. Almost. There we go. Easy as that. There you go. So nice. And then you can just lift it up with one hand. Just one finger and a thumb. Lift it right up. Easy as that.